Okay, back up on our project here on the hill. I got most of the panels up. I still have, I think, space for 2 more that I need to get. Right now I'm down in the lower area. This is something they cut away. It's got some trees on that end, but the thing is maybe 400 feet long. Knock a couple trees out, those little stubby ones, and this would make one hell of a ultralight kind of para-kite airplane landing strip right here. So kind of facing the right direction, 50-degree slant. Next is doing the battery packs. But if I can keep this thing from shaking while I walk. They're racked up pretty good. They should withstand about anything. I'm going to put some other bracing in there, up and down, vertical bracing in the center of those steel beams, just to add a little extra protection in there from flexing. See if I can get up this bank without getting the camera out of focus. You do have a little wave part way down where there's something about the beams I put them on, but yeah, this is my lineup. These are 75 watt, 4.4 amp Siemens, 21 volt, 17 volt output solar panels. I fasten them on there with these clips that I don't know what they're originally intended to be used for, but I need to get about 4 more, or 5 more for the panels on the back. The very end down there is just kind of mocked up, just for the purpose of the picture, but that's how we did it. I'm going to replace some of the boards, the treated board shims, with concrete blocks like I did there. And here's looking down the back. And these beams came from, I don't know, looks like a Lowe's tag. But they were surplus. So somewhere right about where the tools are, those black things are going to go away. And right in this area right here, I'm going to put the battery bank and the inverter. It takes 2 inverters for these panels because there's a lot of watts coming out of it, and the inverters will only hold like 1700 watts each one. So anyhow, we'll get the truck loaded back up. Been working inside the trailer. It's pretty much cleaned up. And we're going to make this into a loading dock right here. I pulled a bunch of brush out with a choker chain, and we're going to actually put in a couple of posts and a cross beam there so we don't have those lanky boards on it. So, and there's a way to drive all the way around back there. I got to get in here and round up some of this stuff so it doesn't come back up again. And the greenhouse is pretty much been cleaned out of all the crap that was in it in the way of poles. There was all these poles and crap like that. This is where the baby cow hangs out. There's a meaning to all that. Some of you might get it, some of you won't. Most of you won't. Another pump house. So I'm just doing it all around, walk around here today, just because I'm up here and I got done doing what I was doing. We have game cameras up here all over the place. We've got 6 of them all together. And I need to fill the water containers for the little animals. We have foxes, rabbits, skunks, all kinds of stuff up here. The deer and the bear, they just drink out of the big tub. And this is one of my next projects to clean up, is all this where they were growing outside. There's a lot of good soil in there. Got to get the weeds out, pull all this metal down. That's going to be like a couple days job. So, but my main thing today was get those panels up. And once again, I got to do this like I always do. I got to do a little panoramic, and this is why I put the solar panels here. It's totally unrestricted. You can see forever. Forest Hill is that direction. Colfax is way over there. Iowa Hill is back that way somewhere. But that's it. We got Sugar Pine Reservoirs up there. So anyhow, that's the video for today. Made a lot of progress on the panels. We'll see how long it takes me to get them all wired up now. All right, that's it.